Welcome back to Online Learning Central. This is Lawrence Wilson here in Silicon Valley. I'd like to share with you the PySpark Certification Training program with PySpark. This particular training program will allow you and equip you to pass the Cloudera, Hadoop, and Spark Developer Certification Exam, CCA 175. Now, this particular program for developers in the big data and Hadoop arena will equip you with comprehensive knowledge in Python programming, HDFS, Sqoop, Flume, Spark GraphX, as well as messaging systems such as Kafka. Now, the training program, like most of our training programs, is designed around a core set of modules, each of which is intended to give you a high demand, highly valuable core skill to apply in the marketplace and also help you pass the CCA 175 CERT exam. They include Big Data, Hadoop, and Spark, Python for Apache Spark, functions, OOPS, as well as modules in Python, a deep dive into Apache Spark Framework, Spark RDDs, as well as DataFrames and Spark SQL, along with machine learning using Spark ML library, a deep dive into Spark ML libraries, as well as Apache Kafka and Flume, Apache Spark Streaming with data sources, as well as processing multiple batches, and finally implementing an end-to-end project with Spark GraphX. So as you can see, this is a very robust, in-depth, highly focused training program of which you're going to come away with some new core skills in the Python Spark arena and also be fully equipped to pass the Cloudera CCA 175 certification exam. So I invite you to click on the link below our video. Our website, as you would expect, has the full course curriculum, will help answer your questions and allow you to begin advancing your career today as a certified Cloudera Python Spark professional. This is Lawrence Wilson for Online Learning Central, signing off. As always, I wish you much success. We'll see you soon.